If you work in Microsoft Word, learning how to add comments is one of the easiest ways to give feedback, ask questions, and collaborate more clearly inside a document. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to add comments in a Word document step by step, so you can start leaving notes on specific text instead of rewriting the whole file. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Now, let's jump in. First, open your Word document. This can be any document you want to review, edit, or leave feedback on. Once the document is open, look through the text and select the exact part you want to comment on. This is important because Word will attach your comment to the selected text, making it easier for others to understand what you're referring to. You can highlight a single word, a sentence, or even a full paragraph, depending on what you need. After selecting the text, go up to the top menu and click the Review tab. The Review tab is where Microsoft Word keeps all the tools related to proofreading, editing, and collaboration. Once you're inside the Review tab, find the New Comment button and click it. As soon as you do that, Word will create a comment box in the margin of your document. Now all you need to do is type your comment. You can write a question, leave feedback, suggest a change, or explain something in more detail. This is especially useful when you're working with teammates, classmates, or clients because it keeps communication connected to the exact part of the document you're discussing. After typing your comment, you can clip away or continue reviewing the rest of the document and add more comments wherever needed. You can repeat the same process as many times as you want, selecting a new section of text each time and adding a fresh comment. If you need to reply to a comment later, Word also makes that easy inside the same comment thread, which helps keep your document organized. And that's really all there is to it. Open the document, select the text, go to Review, click New Comment, and type your note. It's a simple feature, but it can make collaboration in Word much faster and more professional. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.